Hello, and welcome to the Solution Connection tutorial on Freeform Text Search. First, log into Solution Connection and click the Search button. In the top left, you can see the search box. Here, you can enter in text that will then be matched against the features. The query will return any features that have that text somewhere in the feature text. Let's try a search and enter in hardware. And click Submit. As you can see, any feature that has hardware in the text will be returned along with any product that matches that criteria. Let's revise that a bit. Let's say we're just looking for point of sale desktop. We can hit Submit, and it will return only those products that match point of sale. Let's revise it yet again. We could, if we want to further categorize, we can select categories below. Let's try a new search. Let's say we're looking for anything that has to do with import. We'll click Import and click Submit. What you can see here is all of those features that have import in the text and all of those products that match those features. And as always, you can configure the spreadsheet as you like and download to Excel or to PDF if desired. Thank you for listening.